Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered what sets our PP woven liner machine apart from others in the market? Even though we offer the most affordable machine, we deliver the most advanced features to reduce your setup time and boost your productivity. In this video, we'll show you exactly what makes our machine stand out from the rest. In our machine, the hot and cold cutting positions are at the exact same point. Other machines in the market have 20 mm difference between hot and cold cutting blades, making it difficult every time you switch between hot and cold cutting, requiring you to reset your bag size. With our machine, no extra adjustments are needed when switching. Unlike other machines on the market, we include an additional mouth-opening reconfirmation part to ensure the PP woven fabric doesn't stick together after the hot cutting process. This feature helps minimize wastage in the next stages of production. We offer an adjustable liner part that can be easily moved to change blades or make mouth section adjustments. Say goodbye to the struggles of liner adjustments like in the old model machines on the market. Our machine features two servo motors for the liner section, one dedicated to unwinding and the other for pulling the liner. This design ensures smooth, even movement of liner fabric, eliminating the stretching issues of liner material which is common in other machines. You no longer need to adjust the folding part during stitching when switching between hot and cold cutting. With the same cutting position for both hot and cold blades, our machine removes the need for additional adjustments in stitching part, saving you both time and effort. We've done everything possible to reduce your wastage and effort while increasing productivity and profit. Now, the choice is yours. Feel free to contact us to book your free live demo. We're excited to show you what we can do.